said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the...
Hey guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and I am here relaxing and making me a lazy wig. Well, I have gotten some of this, crochet hair, and I am just sewing it on. I went and got a wig cap, and yeah, I'm just sewing it on. Every now and again, I will take this wig off of the mannequin head, try it on, making sure that I am putting the hair in the right direction, and I put it back on. I get to sewing again, and I'm making sure that the crochet braids are spaced far apart, and it's not heavy. Now guys, I like this crochet hair because this is the third time me using these same braids. And like I said, y'all know that I have a texturizer, so this is giving me a lot of time in between texturizing. And I just wanted something that I could just throw on. It'll still look nice if I didn't want to, do my hair or feel like styling my hair or something like that. So this right here, this is my lazy wig because I can throw it on to go to the gym, throw it on to go to the store. I can dress it up, dress it down if I, choose to. So yeah, this is going to be one of those wigs that will allow me to co-wash my hair and, take care of my hair underneath. Like I said, the first time I applied these crochet braids, I actually, applied them to my hair. And man, it was a little bit too tight. I didn't care for that. So I think they lasted for a week though, and then I just couldn't take it anymore, and I took them down. Then I called myself going to sew them on a cap and put some lace front in it so it'll look sort of real. But then that cap was a little bit too weak for it. So now I am putting them on a stronger cap. Hopefully I'll be able to show you the package of the cap that I'm using. It has a band on there. I'm gonna go get some combs and put some combs underneath this. But this is gonna be perfect. Hopefully guys, it will turn out. It will turn out good. I'm doing it a whole bunch of, as far as spreading out these braids. So if you decide to do these crochet braids, trust me, spread them out. Because if you put them too close together, it's going to be heavy and it's going to be hot. So I think I'm doing a good job spreading them out, because if you spread them out, it ain't going to take you that long. And also, it's not going to be heavy on your hair. When you go to put this wig on, it's not going to be heavy. I'm going to wear this wig in a whole bunch of different, styles. And so, like I said, this is my third time using the same, hair, so this is something that I am going to be wearing for a while. And like I said, if this turned out good, then I can make me different colors, different styles, because I am shocked. I really, really like it, guys. I didn't think I was going to like it the way I'm liking it, but I am really liking this crochet, these crochet braids. So mine is 12-inch. I will try to leave you guys a picture of exactly, what kind of hair I'm using. And I am sitting up here watching my favorite programs, sewing me a nice wig, and I went and bought all type of different stuff for my hair today, like oil treatments and hair grease and and things of that nature. And I'll be able to put this wig on, take it off, and just let my hair breathe. So yes, I am almost done, as you see, guys. I just got to fill in this part up in here. As you see, I have my hair going to the side because this is how I'm going to be wearing it. I already know. I'm going to have one side out and behind my ear. This side over here is going to be out and behind my ear. And this side is going to come over to the side. So that is the way I will be wearing it. So I'm trying to make sure that I'm putting the hair in right. So guys, this is how far I have gotten with the wig. So I'm going to take it off now, and I am going to go try it on so you can see how far I have gotten and what it is looking like. And I am telling you, I would advise you to take your wig off and try it on after you get far on it. All right, guys, I am in my bathroom. I got the wig on. Like I said, I will be wearing it to the side like this. And I want this to come from behind my ears. And I want this to come towards the front like that. And so now, with it like this, I don't know. I think I need to, instead of coming around, I'm just going to start coming back this way with everything. I'm just going to start coming back. Now this wig cap has a band on it. I haven't decided if I'm going to tuck that band. I haven't decided if I'm just going to tuck that band all the way around. And, but I know for sure that now that I have it on, I'm going to start working those braids backwards, because this is going to come like this. I'm going to bring this to the front like that. And I am going to wear my hair to the side. This is going to be slicked down, and I'm going to be able to wear it to the side and behind my ears. So I am finna get back to sewing, but at least I know since I took it off, just to start moving back this way. Okay? All right, guys, this is what the back of the hair looks like. I hope you can see that. Can you see? But this is what the back of it is looking like. And I can tell you right now that I'm going to end up taking some of these braids out, because I do not want this wig piece to be heavy at all. All right, guys, now this is the way that I really liked my hair. This is the hair that is crocheted directly onto my head and not a wig, and I really did like it. So I ended up, like I said, sewing it on the first wig cap. That wig cap was too weak. But this is the way it looked the very first time I took it off of my head and sewed it onto a wig cap. Like I was saying, guys, I hope you take my tips along the way, because if you sew these braids too close together, they are going to be too heavy and you're not going to like it. So once again, this is the second way that I did my hair. Now I crochet my hair in the very front where you see it's pulled up into a ponytail, but the rest of that is the wig. The rest of that is the wig. I think I have like 9 braids, crocheted on my head. And here I really use this wig to go to the health club. All right, guys, well, that is it. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later. Mwah.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.